guys, today I have Beauty by Francesca. This is a self-care subscription which runs $29.99 monthly. You can cancel at any time. For $29.99, you do receive 5 to 6 handmade natural and organic skincare products. These products are handcrafted soaps, body butters, lotion bars, bath salts, body oils, shower steamers, bath bombs, body scrubs, accessories, and more. And they are all high-quality, fresh ingredients from plant oils, butters, herbs, clays, salts, and essential oil. Now this is March's box, and I will be posting the April box shortly. Oh, it smells amazing as always. There was a mix-up last month, and she did leave me a note about that, and then she did send this box for free, so I appreciate that. Thank you so much. I love your boxes. The products are always amazing, and they smell so nice, but that's not why it's late. It's late because I just can't keep up with everything that I have in my YouTube channels, Mercari and Poshmark. So it looks like the theme this month is vitality. Now we'll go ahead and just hold on to this so I can read this when I pull the products out of the box. All right, so the first one is Cedar Wood and Lavender Cuticle Balm. It's a rich and moisturizing balm made to soothe dry, rough, and cracked cuticles. Hand poured and crafted with a blend of mango butter, soybean oil, hemp oil, lanolin, and essential oils for ultra nourishment and protection. Apply a dime-size amount to both nails and cuticles and massage and for moisture and shine. Oh my goodness, massage. Okay, so this one is Shea Butter Hand Lotion. It's a lotion with lavender, bergamot, and cedarwood. This is a hydrating, non-greasy moisturizer that provides long-lasting benefits thanks to its paraben-free, simple, and healthy ingredients. Its thick consistency helps lock in moisture for lasting nourishment and soft skin. Oh, it smells really nice. Look how thick it is. This box smells amazing. Alrighty, so the next one is the 7-piece travel manicure set. Compact and convenient. Look at that. That is nice. Fitting easily into a pocket or purse, containing all the necessary tools for manicure maintenance. You can always look your best while traveling. Keep your nails groomed wherever you go. So looks like the theme is hands this month, but yeah, that is a really nice little kit. I need one too, so I love that. Look at that nice case too. It'll be protected there, so that'll last for a while. Has a snap lock closure. And the next is the soap. We always get amazing soaps. So this is a honey oatmeal chai soap, handmade with real chai tea and infused with orange essential oil and oatmeal. This moisturizing honey oatmeal chai soap will leave your skin smooth and soft. Sweet orange essential oil and oatmeal pair together to clarify and soothe the skin. I believe there's a soap in every box. They are amazing. I've gotten one, I think, every month, and it's so moisturizing and they smell so nice. So now this one is a cedarwood milk and honey hand soak. It indulges in a luxurious hand soap for dry, rough hands. Our soothing hand soap is made with a blend of milk, honey, sea salt, and essential oils that hydrate and soften the skin. It says you put 2 tablespoons with warm water, and then you soak for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then you follow up with your moisturizer. So I went ahead and opened everything up to get a good look at everything. So the 7-piece travel manicure set right here, and then this chai soap, it also has that sweet orange essential oil, so that really smells really nice. So moisturizing. I love the soaps that have the orange essential oil. And then, of course, this cuticle balm. So that's going to be really nice as well. And then the hand soak has the milk and honey, so extra moisturizing. So I definitely look forward to using all of this. And then this thick lotion, which is a shea butter lotion, and that one smells really nice as well. Has some nice ingredients, paraben free. It's a nice thick consistency. It actually feels really nice on the skin. So we can wash our hands with the honey oatmeal chai soap, clip file and shape your nails, soak your hands for 10 to 15 minutes in the cedarwood milk and honey hand soak, apply the shea butter hand lotion, and then apply the cuticle balm. And then from there we can continue to do our nails, right? I love it. I think it was a fabulous box. So those are the 5 items that came in my Beauty by Francesca this month. So please let me know what you think in the comments below. And I'm going to go ahead and get ready for the next video, which will probably be up in a couple days, even tomorrow. Thanks so much. See you in the next one.